Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video. So today in this video, we're gonna see what is meant by electrical engineering and what does an electrical engineer do. Also, we will see the scope of choosing the electrical engineering as a career perspective. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting much time. Electrical engineering is the study and applications of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. So, in simple terms, it is about understanding how the electricity works in order to use the knowledge for engineering applications. Electrical engineering involves the application and learning of electromagnetism and energy in various applications. Electrical engineers design, develop, test, and supervise the manufacture of electrical equipments such as electric motors, radars, navigation systems, communication system, and the power generation equipment. And electrical engineers can work in many different fields, including power generation and distribution, transmission, energy storage, and energy management, etc. Okay, so this is all about the electrical engineering and the perspective of electrical engineers. Okay, so it's this.